Hi, this is Kare, and I want to make sure that you get started using your product with the most benefit for yourself. I'm going to talk to you about iHeRQles, iRevive, and the iPatches. One bottle is enough to do 4 sprays under your tongue once a day. But we really, really highly recommend that when you get started, do the 4-month blood upgrade. So if you were to do that just with iHeRQles, you would then do that 4 sprays morning, afternoon, and evening, at least. And that would take 3 bottles a month or 12 bottles total. And the big package is going to give you take you almost the full 4 months, and you need to be on auto ship as well. Then the second way to do it is if you're doing iHeRQles, 4 sprays under your tongue. Oh, let me just say, on the little thing that comes with it says, do it before your big meal of the day. That's only if you're doing it once a day. That's to just maximize it. I do this when I get out of bed in the morning. I drink a really big, like this much water. And then because everybody's dehydrated, and you get out of bed, you want to be hydrated. And then I do 4 sprays of this. I do it again sometime around, noon, 1 o'clock. It kind of depends on what time I get up. And then I do it again in the evening. And sometimes I'll do it even more. If I have issues with anything, I might do it even more. Okay, so you want to do that for 4 months. If you're doing these 2 together, you want to do morning and evening 4 sprays, and you want to use this morning and evening. And I want to show you how to use it, because there's a package that gets you 5 of these and 8 of these. And I know everybody thinks when they get these little ones that, oh my gosh, they sent me the sample size. No, that's enough for me to do my face for like a month. They've got a bigger size too that comes in the package where you have iRevive, iHeRQles, and the patches. But I want to show you how to use it, because it does not take much. I put about this much on my fingernail. That's enough for my whole face. And I just rub it between my fingertips, just like that. So they're glossy. That is enough for my entire face. I'm going to put it on my hands though, because I didn't do it on my hands this morning. And, at 76, I'm still getting rid of round spots here. Okay. So that's how you use it. But if you've got a knee issue and you're using the 2 together, put this on your knee, because this has stem cells in it, fibroblast stem cells, that after it's worked on your skin, then they'll go in where you put it and fix other things. So use it where you've got conditions. Most women just are using it on their face because we all just want to look younger. But let me show you how much younger I look. I'm going to do this right now and show you, just do a really quick screen share. This was 5 years ago. How do I look like? This is what I look like now. This truly reverses biological age and issues. If you do it for 4 months, it's an upgrade in your blood. If you do it for 3 years, you've got a whole new body, because this will replace every organ, every tissue except bone. Bone takes up to 7 years. But this is the most incredible thing. You don't ever want to stop this. I stopped all my supplements, but boy, I am never stopping this, because this is food from God's garden that can actually open up your circulation, clean your blood, boost your immune system, stimulate your stem cell production, and reverse biological age and issues. Keep doing it. Keep getting educated about this. Keep coming to we got programs every night of the week except Friday. This is all you need. This is what we've been waiting for. This is a godsend for us. And with the patches, the first one goes on your left-hand side above your waist. If you have more than one patch, which you can use more than one, and say the second patch is pain and inflammation, then put it on where the pain is. But your first patch needs to be on the left-hand side because energy comes in from the left. And there are a couple patches that I cut them off of the little panel in here and I don't put them on my body. Energy is one of those. So see, you could just cut it off of here. And then if you're a woman, stick it in your bra. If you're a man, put it in a breast pocket. Because it just needs to be in your energy field. Isn't that cool? And then when you want to go to bed and you don't want all that energy, then you put it back in the little sleeve until you need energy. But these last for 3 full days. The sleep patch is the only exception. The sleep patch, you take it out, cut it off, put it in your pillowcase, and you can leave it in there for 6 days because you're only going to be in, unless you're in bed all day long. But you feel these within 10-15 minutes. So if you've got conditions that you need relief from, this is it. And this is like your health package, for all the different conditions. So these are the 3 products. This is all I use. I don't use any other nutritional things but this. I don't use anything else on my skin, on my face. No moisturizers or serums or anything. I don't even buy antiseptic cream for scratches and things. I use iRevive. And whenever there's an issue with anybody around me, I've got patches. We can patch the problem up. So anyway, that's the way to use these products. This is the best thing you could ever use. And they work for everybody. So, blessings. Have a good experience with these. Let us know if you need any help. We're here for you. Bye now.